Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is rearranging numbers part 1. Dear students, in this part I will show some numbers how to rearrange. Here is a number, here is question A, 55, 51, 58, 53, 56. 5 numbers given here. We have to arrange this number. And in question B, here are also 5 numbers given, 67, 64, 65, 62, 69. These 5 numbers we have to arrange. Here in this question, arrange means we will always arrange in smaller to larger. We will arrange the numbers from smaller to larger. Dear students, you know there are 10 digits in math. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The students, you know 0 is the smallest number. As 0 means nothing, it means 0 is the smallest. Compare these two. 0 means nothing. So 0 is the smallest. You have to remember that 0 is the smallest among these 10 digits. And after 0, next number is 1. Dear students, 1 means only one thing. Only one thing. Suppose 1 means one line, and after 1 there is 2. Now 2 means I can give here 2 lines, as here is 2 lines and here is 1 line. So we can say 1 is smaller than 2. So we can write here 1. We can use a symbol and write this in this way. 0 is smaller than 1. 1 is smaller than 2, and we can compare 2 and 3. 3 means we can consider 3 lines. We can consider 3 lines here. We can consider 1, 2, 3. Now compare these 2 lines and 3 lines. Here is 1 line more. So 3 is greater than 2. This sign is known as smaller than sign. This sign is known as smaller than sign. So 0 is smaller than 1, 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3. Then next number is 4. So I have to give 4 lines. Dear students, now here are 3 lines. I can take 1, 2, 3 lines here. So if I take 3, 1 left, it means that 4 is greater than 3. It means 3 is smaller than 4, as 1 more lines here. So we can write 3 is smaller than 4. Then we have to compare 4 and 5. Dear students, now see here 5 means 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 1 line more. 1 line more. So 4 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. Now we have to compare 5 and 6. Now if we compare, 6 means 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can take 5 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again here 1 line more. As 6 is 1 line more than 5. So we can say 5 is smaller than 6, as 6 is more. Then compare 6 and 7. Then compare 6 and 7. Here are 6 lines. 7 means 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if we compare here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can cut these 6 lines. So 7 is 1 line more than 6. So it means that 6 is smaller than 7. Then next number is 8. So we can consider 8 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As 7 lines here, we can cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is also 1 line more. So 7 is smaller than 8, and then next number is 9. So we can consider 9 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we consider 9 line, compare 8 and 9. Here is 8 lines. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cut 8 lines, 1 line more. It means that 8 is smaller than 9. 8 is smaller than 9. Dear students, you have learned this in the half yearly exam also. It means that the order is 0 is smaller than 1, 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4, 4 is smaller than 5, 5 is smaller than 6, 6 is smaller than 7, 7 is smaller than 8, and 8 is smaller than 9. If a number is a single digit number, if a number contains only one digit, then we can arrange them in this order. But the given numbers are of two orders, are of two digits, Okay, now consider a number which contain two digits. Suppose 35 and another number, consider here 32. Okay, dear students, now see, this is the last digit of 35. 5 is the last digit. Last digit means ones place. This known as ones place. And here is 3. 3 means tens place. This known as ones place, and this digit is known as tens place. Here also 2 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. Dear students, to compare a number, at first we have to compare the larger position. Here tens position is the largest position. In case of both number, here 3 is in tens position. As tens position is same, we have to compare only ones position. It means that when we will compare two digit number, we have to observe that at first the tens place. If the tens place is same, then we have to compare the ones place. Dear students, now see here 55, here tens place is 5, tens place is 5, tens place is 5, tens place is 5, and here is also tens place 5. In this case also tens place 6, tens place 6, tens place is 6, tens place 6, tens place 6. It means that in our given numbers, tens place is always same. So we have to compare only ones place. So if we arrange the ones place according to this order, we will get which number is smaller and which number is greater. Dear students, to arrange the numbers, so we have to find out the smaller number from ones place of the given numbers. Okay, dear students, now see, ones place of the number is, ones place is 5, tens place is 5. Ones place 1, tens place 5. Ones place 8, tens place 5. Ones place 3, tens place 5. Ones place 6, tens place 5. So in this case, tens place is always same. So we have to compare only ones place. Here ones place is 5, 1, 8, 3, 6. We need to compare these digits. 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 8, 3, 6. We need to compare these digits. If we compare 5, 1, 8, 3, 6. According to this order, at first we will get 1. So first one will be 1, as 1 is smaller than 3. Now we need to compare 3, and 3 is smaller than 5, 8, 6. So here 5 is, then 5 is smaller than 6. And 6 is smaller than 8. According to this order, we have to arrange. Down. So at first we have to write 1 means here 51. 1 is in one's place mean 51, and 3 is in one's place, which number? 53. And then 5 is in one's place, that is 55. Then 6 is in one's place, that is 56. And 8 is in one's place, that is 58. Here is 58. Okay, dear students, I have arranged. Again, try to remember the technique. We need to compare the ones place. 5, 1, 8, 3, 6. Among these digits, 1 is the smallest one, then 3, then 5, 6, 8. We have to arrange the numbers in this order. Okay, now if we can arrange, then we will get the numbers from smaller to larger. 51 is smaller than 53, 53 is smaller than 55, 55 is smaller than 56, and 56 is smaller than 58. Okay, dear students, now I need to arrange the numbers of question B. Here the numbers are 67, 64, 65, 62 and 69. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Dear students, now see, all the tens place are same here. All the tens place are same here. Tens place is 6. So we need to compare only ones place. Here ones place is 7, here is 4, here is 5, 2 and 9. So we have to compare 7, 4, 5, 2 and 9. We need to observe at first which one is smallest. Here 7, 4, 5, 2, 9. Which one is in the first? 2 is in first. So we have to write 2 at first. Then we have done this one. Then the next number 7, 4, 5, 9. Here 4 is the smallest one. 4 is the smallest one. After 4 we will get 5. Here is 5. This one is also done. Here is 5. So we have to compare 5. After 5 we will get, this one is done. Now this one left 7 and 9. Here 7 is smaller than 9. 7 is smaller than 9. So we have to write 7 and then we have to write 9. So we can say one's place is 2. That number is the smallest number. So we can say 62 is the smallest number. And then 4, one's place is 4 means 64. And one's place 5 means 65. One's place 7 means 67. And one's place 9 is in 69. So we can write here 69. The students, again I am telling, to compare the numbers, you have to compare the ones place when the tens place will be same. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Do these two questions A and B as your homework. This is your homework 10. Submit your homework on next Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.